Is bread, and this is how it is made. How we eat this? Using jam or as sandwich. But if we keep this bread for few days, what happens? A fungus grows on it. It is bread mold. So in this video we will discuss about kingdom fungi. Now we can see other fungus. This is albugo, which grows on mustard leaf. You can see some patches there. We can have a closer look. It look like this. Even more closer, you can see the reproductive parts, that is sporangium. But there is one exceptional case in fungus, that is yeast, unicellular one. What is its use? Used for making wine and beer. And this is white wine, which is made from green grapes using yeast. This is Pencilium notatum, another fungus from which the first antibiotic penicillin is made. You can see many ball-like structures which grows on this fungus. They are the sexually reproducing spores called conidia. Now this is the main plant body of the fungus, which are filament-like structures, and you can see the septa, that is a wall between the cells, and this plant body is called hyphae. But yeast is an exceptional one, unicellular. And when you get a collection of hyphae, you call it as mycelium. But in lower fungus, there is no septa or wall between the cells. So you will get a single cell with many nucleus. That is a multinucleate cell and is called cenocytic hyphae. This is also a cenocytic hyphae. Here you can see one more thing. A sporangium is there in which spores are produced inside the sporangium. So we can say that spores are produced endogenously in sporangium. And this is lichen, a close association of fungus and algae, and this is Mycorrhizae, an association of fungus along with roots. It fixes phosphorus and also increases surface area for water absorption. Next we can go to the sexual reproduction. When two hyphae come closer, the cytoplasm will fuse and is called plasmogamy. This is the first event. After this, the nucleus will fuse. That is the second event. It is known as karyogamy. It results in a diploid cell which undergo meiosis to form spores. So 3 events are there. But in higher fungus, when two hyphae come closer, here it is one with the black nucleus and one with the white nucleus, plasmogamy will occur. But karyogamy will not occur after that. It results in a single cell with the 2 nucleus. This is called a dikaryon. But in the last cell, karyogamy will occur and it results in a diploid cell which undergo meiosis to form spores. This occurs in ascomycetes and basidiomycetes. These are the higher fungus. Now this is a microscopic picture showing the dikaryophase. We can go to the classification of fungus. In the first group, there is a fungus called saprolegnia. It has got a sporangium in which spores are produced inside the sporangia, that is endogenously. It causes disease on fish and it has features just like algae, so it is called algal fungus. In Latin, algae is called Phyco and fungus is called mycete. So this group is called Phycomycetes, algal fungus, and this is the sexually reproducing spore, zoospore. They are also produced endogenously. And there is one more type of spore called aplanospore. So these two types are asexually reproducing spores. Now the sexually reproducing spore is zygospore. When two hyphae come closer, it results in a spore called zygospore. And here the hyphae is cenocytic hyphae. Other examples of this group are Rhizopus stolonifer, bread mold, then mucor, and albugo. Thank you. We will continue in next video.